This is a Samsung Galaxy S2 Ultra. The volume button gets stuck. It does not work. It's my customer bring it to me, and I'm trying to fix it. And today I'm going to show you how to fix when the volume button is stuck. So I just use the alcohol and a piece of paper like a tissue and a very thin blade. First I'm gonna use the spray alcohol. I'm just cutting the paper now and I make it very small pieces. I'm thinking this button is stuck. Maybe there is something like a glue get in or some other reasons, not sure. And I'm gonna spray the alcohol on the tissue. And then I keep on the bottom and I push a little bit to get in the alcohol. The alcohol make it softer. So if I rub like that a little bit, it will go inside the alcohol. Then I push it a little bit inside the blade to make it free. Yeah, I have to keep pushing a little bit to get the blade in from both sides, up and down from the bottom. So if you keep pressing like that, it will go a little bit in, and after that if you press it, it's work again. So that's the easiest way to fix the Samsung Galaxy power button, home button, any kind of things. And I'm just probing, I'm taking the picture because I don't have the password, so I'm just giving the probe is working. I take the picture.